Hi, ako nga pala si Zara, nakatira sa bansang Espanya. This is my favorite skincare, Atomy Absolute Cell Active Set. Ang una kong ginamit ay ang toner, soothing toner to refresh and revitalize dry skin. It's very easy to apply to your face and neck. Huwag natin kalimutan ang ating leeg because it supports to our face. And the next product is Cell Active Ampule. It reduces the signs of aging. Napakaganda nito sa late 30s and above like me. Super tipid kasi liquid siya like serum and it will last this set from 3 to 4 months. Mayroong procedure kung paano natin i-apply ang product. Non-negotiable dapat itong mga skincare, especially tayo ay extreme yung weather natin dito sa Europe. We must see to it that our skin is hydrated. Our next product is Cell Active Serum. It helps to strengthen the appearance of the skin. Non-negotiable din dapat ito sa atin kasi ito yung magbibigay ng glow sa ating skin. Dapat alam natin yung skincare na para sa atin, kung dry ba tayo or oily skin. But this product is for all types of skin. I'm consistently using this product and it's been 3 weeks on the go. Next product natin ay Cell Active Eye Complex. Helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, especially sa mga eye bag natin at wrinkles sa palibot ng ating mata. 40 ml na to at super tipid na to para sa eye nyo. Nung nag-start ako, nakita ko talaga yung changes. Kaya recommended ko tong product na to. Next product is Nutrition Cream. It helps to reduce the appearance of aging. Ito din yung ginagamit ko sa free facial sa aking mga clients. And take note, maraming nakapuna sa aking mukha na may pagbabago. Absolute price and absolute quality. Take note, 6 na products na yung nasa isang set. Sa halagang 195 euro. At sa peso naman ay 11,100. The best market is our testimonies. How we use the product consistently. At natutuwa talaga ako sa result ng Atomy. Thank you so much.